Hi, it's time to deal with enrolling users on training using the Select All option. Start with expanding the Learning Objects Management module, which you can see on the left of your screen, and then click on the Learning Objects option. Find the training you want to enroll users on. Use the Action button in the upper right corner to expand the menu. Select the option Enroll Users. On the next screen, you will find buttons that will help you enroll users on the learning object using specific selection criteria. Click on the option Select All to enroll all your platform users on the training, no matter what role they are given, which group or organizational unit in the structure they are in. In the first step, you can exclude the users for whom the training completion is not required by ticking the box next to their names. Then click Next. The second step will allow you to set the period of time in which the users have access to the specific learning object by clicking on the dates in the calendar. You can either indicate the period of time or allow access for an indefinite period by clicking on the appropriate option. After clicking the Next button, you will see the summary of selected parameters. Check if everything is okay. If so, click the Save button. If you have previously defined the notifications, you do not have to separately inform everyone about the access to training. They have just received an automatic mail with this information. I hope that this information is helpful to you. Feel free to watch more of our tutorials to make it even easier to use all the edolando.com options. Bye for now.